Happy Sunday, my Alim aliens. It may feel unstable right now because balance is back on the earth. Some of the pillars that hold us up are not part of the foundation, but part of what we are holding on to. But we have no choice but to shed certain things as the energy is shifted. This is a new earth. We are a new people having extended. Nothing is negative unless you put a label on it. It might feel uncomfortable, but this is you upgrading, recalibrating, and elevating. I've chosen in this journey that I'm on to honor myself by allowing me to recalibrate my energy in peace, and that's it. I'm going back in the house too to do some things that I put off for a long time, and I'm going to embrace the weather, chill inside my house, cook myself dinner, bake my birthday cake, and show me, what it looks like I'm gonna show me how great my love is on my life. I can't convince nobody unless I've convinced myself, and I am the product. I believe in me wholeheartedly, and I'm gonna continue to. It's the only thing that I feel right about, that fills me up and keeps me abundantly rich. Yeah. Me believing in me keeps my eye on the prize when temptations and things come to be obstacles and to stop and deter me. What I've seen on the horizon is so great I can't stop. So I encourage everybody that if you're having a hard time, know that you are not the enemy to yourself. But pause, ask yourself, write, journal, have a conversation with you. What's wrong? And allow yourself to answer. The whole universe is a vibration, and we've all forgotten our rhythm, trying to keep up with material ways and thinking. But this too shall pass, because as separate as we are, until we see ourselves in one another, take ownership and responsibility for the little wars and the little